Welcome back. As we finish this week, we talk a little bit about a story from the Autism Daily newscast. The headline here is "Studies Suggest Female Brain has Inherent Protection from Autism." A recent study at Yale University suggests that the female brain may somehow be inherently protected from developing autism. Researcher Stephen Sanders and his team observed variations in genes and mutations between male and female subjects. They found that girls actually had substantially more high-risk genetic mutations associated with autism than boys, yet they were less likely to develop autistic behaviors. These results imply that the female brain may have more inherent protection against developing the disorder than male brains. This study corroborates a twin study published in February 2013 Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, which found that girls with autistic traits were more likely to have siblings with similar traits than boys are. The study also found that girls are less likely to display the traits of autism unless there are also a variety of other risk factors present. Another study by Amy Klein at Emory University found that girls with autism tend to engage in their social environments differently than boys with the disorder. The results showed that girls with mild autism spent more time looking at people's eyes than those with more severe autism, while the opposite is true for male subjects. While these studies show promise, many researchers fear that girls are underdiagnosed and underrepresented in current research. Researchers have also noted that boys and girls with autism tend to differ in how their symptoms manifest. Dr. Peter Satsmari, the head of the Division of Child and Adolescent Psychiatry in the Department of Psychiatry and Behavioral Neurosciences at McMaster University in Hamilton, Ontario, says, "Often the symptoms of ASD appear as extreme shyness or anxiety in girls, masking that they may not be responsive to the social cues of others. And while fixated interests are common with both sexes on the autism spectrum, girls tend to focus on topics such as ponies, princesses, dolls, or drawing, common passions for non-autistic girls too. Boys, on the other hand, may become stuck on less typical activities, such as lining up blocks or running sand through their fingers. As a result, doctors may miss that some of the female patients show signs of autism. It's clear that further research on gender differences in autism is warranted, both to determine whether there are biological factors that decrease females' chances of developing the disorder, and also being better to serve those girls and women who are currently living with autism. So bringing up a lot of different interesting points. And again, if you want to read the full study and more quotes from the different scientists, you can go to autismdailynewscast.com and check out that full story. But it certainly brings up some very interesting questions about, because we know the prevalence in boys is so significantly higher than it is in girls, and figuring out why that may be.